Hey, what's up everybody? Taking care of your computer is super important. It's like taking care of your car. If you don't do regular maintenance, it's gonna start having issues. You don't want a slow computer, right? That's why we're going to talk about some easy computer maintenance tips. These tips will help your computer run smoothly. A happy computer means you can work and play without issues. So let's dive in and learn how to keep your computer in tip-top shape. The future is here. New challenges for your computer. It's 2025 and technology is changing fast. Our computers are more powerful than ever, but this also means new challenges for keeping them running well. We have faster internet speeds and more powerful software. This means our computers work harder. They generate more heat and need better cooling. We need to keep up with these changes to avoid problems. Simple tips for a healthy computer. Here are some simple tips to keep your computer happy. 1. Keep it clean. Dust is your computer's enemy. Use a can of compressed air to clean your keyboard, mouse, and vents. A clean computer runs cooler and lasts longer. 2. Update everything. Software updates are important. They fix bugs and improve security. Make sure your operating system drivers and antivirus are always up to date. 3. Be careful what you install. Only download software from trusted sources. Malicious software can slow down your computer and steal your information. 4. Back up your data. You never know when your hard drive might fail. Back up your important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Your toolkit for a smooth-running PC. There are some great tools that can help you maintain your computer cleaner. This free software helps you clean up temporary files and junk data. It's like giving your computer a digital detox. Malwarebytes. This powerful antivirus software protects your computer from viruses, malware, and other threats. Crystal Disk Info. This handy tool monitors the health of your hard drive. It can warn you of potential problems before they become serious. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. By following these tips, you can keep your computer running smoothly for years to come.